Got my Smolik Performance CNC Minarelli in the mail today. So let's open her up. I do a quick unboxing. Oh, there goes my phone. This is on my bed in my room. Ignore purple paint. Purple was my favorite color. Still is. The invoice and everything off of there. I have not opened it yet. Is there a way I can turn this around? No. I have not opened it yet. So we're going to get to see what I see. It doesn't fall right. Nope, those are my motor mounts. That's awesome. Look at those. The quality on Smolik stuff is just... that's crazy, man. There's my intake insulator, just like I asked for. Thank you, Ethan. Thank you so much for remembering that. Oh, there's my Makuni. Oh, clutch cam. So that's my Makuni carb. That's a VM24, and it's got the jets. Yep. There's my exhaust gasket. Look at the size of that carb. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see that. These Makunis are not to be played with. Holy shit, that's a big carb. Okay, and now a piece of resistance, as I would call it. Keep all that together. Move this box out of the way. Put my phone down here. You can see it a little bit better. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. It even says SP here on the intake. I never noticed that. Just noticed, I don't know if you can see it because I'm shaking because of how excited I am. It says SP right here. Camera's a little shit. Sorry, I need a new phone. Jesus. That's one hell of an engine. Thank you. Great build, Ethan. Thank you, man. That's going to be one hell of a ripper. I'm buying an Athena Sport Basic. I found one over on a European website. So I'm going to buy one of those, and I'm going to be putting that cylinder on. So I'm going to keep running the VM20 though, because it states you only need a 19 millimeter carb, but I don't see why a 20 mil won't work. But yeah, this should be an awesome build. I can't wait. Keep you guys updated.